Well, and it looks like we got one good one.
There's
here.
a good one right there.
Yes, sir.
Looks like it's pretty big too. All right, remember, don't break off everything. Just put it aside.
Yeah.
So I'm going to say that that's probably it for now on this one, and we're going to stop this video. Okay, just going to say this is disappointing. We've already cleared out 3 of those bags, and that's all we've gotten. And we should have gotten huge loads out of these larger bags, but we haven't. And we think that that one may actually be the original seed potato. Not sure about that because it is so large, and that's about the size that the company sent.